how this smell.
See people like Ojsy, you never see people like rock yet.
But they don't taste good. They are because I'm gonna look about it long time. First thing, them two big.
Bad man, you never see people like rock yet.
Nathan, go on.
That peas, brother, is a foreign type of peas, virgin. What's up, guys? You don't know, say your boy Nathan and people don't see title already a problem right now. I'm gonna give CC some beer or food to eat as it. Or one piece of peas or anything. I don't know with them there. Boy, foreign can really make some piece of things, you see. People, before me get in a video, I want to know if you just like, share, comment and subscribe. You see it? Remember to watch the ads and just turn on the notification bell if you know it. So I say remember to go down in the description. Go subscribe to Ojsy channel. Remember that. You see me, guys? Alright. Aisha?
Yeah.
Ready? Oh. You know? Sit down, Ruby.
Come on.
Oh. What is food? I only aki them could I get. See it, that's why it is.
I don't want that.
You know, B?
I don't want that.
Why, mate?
Nathan, go on with that, no be, man.
You want to Kalisha, man? The thing good, virgin. You not feed the aki them if you don't want it. Me eat the aki them. The banana boil, the carrot boil, the tomato good, and then peas, yeah, the frying tin peas, something. A healthy diet, be. Aye, you just lock up the place, man. Make some light come in the place, man. Eat the food, be.
I don't want it, I'm not hungry.
So where you going to eat for dinner? Hey, dinner that, you know? Eat the food.
Yeah, that's I don't want it, bring it back. I
So
don't
what
want
do we?
it. Don't force it for me.
What do we?
I don't want it.
Put, yo, come in. Put mayonnaise on it then. See me here, forward there. Kalisha, you know, eat something. Man, you see how she make me waste my time. Me, I could have done the video a long time, you know. Anyhow, I need to look about this, you know.
What that?
Now you see me tell you about brother from where they when me do the video I watch and it show me what to eat as YouTuber, healthy living, healthy diet. And me a Gary. The man say brown seed aki them. If you eat.
You don't hear me?
So me not eat mine already.
I don't want none.
That's why you're feeble so, and can't
Nathan, go on with
manage
that,
no
no, I
weight.
don't want it.
You don't want a
Me don't
healthy
want
food in your
it.
body.
Me
It'll be
don't
a dry
want
food
that.
you want.
Me no business.
Eat them there. Kill what? You know them iron all type of iron and vitamin and all type of
Me
everything.
no want it. Why you push it for me for?
Because of your dinner.
Me don't want it. Me don't hungry.
Make sure, you know. Because later when you get strike, you know, I hope you don't see all I eat them this, you know. Mate, what wrong with this?
Look on that. What is that? Aki? The raw aki? That can am so?
You never see people like it.
Oh,
Also, you never see people like it raw yet.
But they don't taste good. They are because I'm gonna look about it long time. First thing, them two big
Bad man, you
carrots
never
that
see
I
people
bread
eat
stuff.
raw ackee yet.
Nathan, go on.
That peas, brother, is a foreign type of peas, virgin. Them yeah, as a mixture. You know the peas they will come mix up, brother. See there? Different type
So
of
my
peas.
mind, they must come up there to nobody eat it still.
And you see them eat it though.
The most can eat guys come back fine, but
You eat it. Alright.
Kalisha, you're not gonna get nothing more, virgin. Put some mayonnaise on this up and eat it. Ah, you know if you don't make man waste 10 time. You there so sleep and me as a good man I look something for you eat and you come. Ah, you have to
This to
do.
me,
You don't
This?
appreciate it.
appreciate this.
Oh, okay. But me the bigger box of KC come here, you know, is that there be a difference, you know.
Nathan, go
You don't see a
with
smile
this,
touch off your ears, you know.
man.
Yo,
yeah, the man.
and that in the box of KFC let them smile touch off their ears, you
I'm
know.
not busy me want, so just bring them to trust to the grow and so on.
You can't call me food trash, be healthy food, brethren.
This day for cook me raw, kid.
The man say, partially boiled Kalisha. It's supposed to partially boil. That means, look here. So it will stay. The stain were in there, brother. I it go stain things in your brain. What I laugh. I saw, I saw it here watch it. When you watch the video, when you watch the video, you have to laugh, don't bring that. Yeah, the mother tell them, brother, the peas. Alright, you see the peas, them, brother, the whole heap of different mixture of peas. It will make your heart mix it up peas in a different ways, brother. You see me? You're peaceful to things in a different ways. So that's oh God. And that's why you see different peas in there.
Then yam stomach make me see right now and then me take it.
My belly full, you know, you.
My belly full too, but them
My the amount of this me eat, brethren, a while ago. Belly full. Oh, the tomato, brethren, make you live to see tomorrow. You feel like a lie, me I tell. Or you feel like the ackee for this, so. The yellow seed ackee. The brown seed ackee. Where you feel it for?
Nathan, just go on with this something and me can't
You
take
fi
it
eat
now.
all I think them
Me
brethren.
head a hurt, me go on with that no man, me don't want that for
The
now.
carrot I make you can see when time me I give you bun.
Me don't want to see you, you know. Me don't want to see you. Okay, if me see you, me I kill you.
How you that? She have to take the carrot, brother, to better out the vision, dad. The visionary. Better it up. Feel like a joke, I take my thing for brethren, a healthy diet food, me I give to eat you. More you can healthy and fit and fat. Not jerk chicken and fry nothing. They are them food you eat. From as of today. We are live like a jungle life. You ever watch Jungle Book yet?
Yeah, them you eat. Yeah, they in a jungle.
So we are live like jungle life,
You
like
are live
Rasta.
jungle life. Me not live in a jungle life.
When you're done, you go around there and see me blend up some single Bible and sorosine in the fridge. You drink that. And purge out your body. Purge out your body, but purge out face. That's all in your brain. Tablet, show, sleep, eat.
I was gonna can't take him out here.
Healthy food you have to eat, brethren.
Man, we can't take
Healthy food you have to eat, brethren. That's why I'm a week like when turbo.
yeah, we in a week. Eh?
Yo, lock up the
You
African
fit-
show there,
you
son
in a
of man.
week.
I eat the food. Lock up this, no, man.
Come
I eat
here,
the
tell
food.
me what me something.
Nobody know I hear the African show there, so brethren. And the food me I talk about. Me 3 type of peas, them, brethren. Broad bean, butter bean, and slide down the gutter bean you have right so. And you can go on like say you want to disrespect the thing.
You know, say because I don't want to do nothing. Let me not turn over that stuff.
Turn over it. You know much of the crackery, yeah? Turn over it. You can buy this. All the wine yourself for chocolate chips and tricks of cornflakes. You now
What
get
you
a
want?
shit in this raw.
What you want?
Want skin off your
What
teeth
you
here?
want?
Food like this, man.
You not go and yam it then?
I want you to learn to name them food, yeah. The carrot, eat it. Eat it.
Stop.
Eat it. Leg off your head.
Stop. Take that off my bed, man. Go no, man.
When a little girl here come fling on the food, Virgin. Man, you know what's a pound for carrot, bad man? Harry, eat some of this.
Harry, don't make him get... You see
The carrot ain't front there, you know. Carrot ain't front there, yeah, she don't see. Kalisha. Where the camera? Harry, where the camera? Find the camera. Look for the camera right now. Try and find the camera. Kalisha, where the camera there? Hmm? Do not talk about that African show, no Dr. Justin right now.
Give me some of mommy do what me I do. Stop.
Hey, don't hold up on that. Hold up on that.
Come.
Come. Eat. Take out the carrot, Kalisha, from under your bed. You can't steal it. Take it up. Take it up and a tablet time right now.
I'm finish watch me stuff.
Put on. Take out the carrot from under your bed. Yes. Take up the carrot from under your bed. Healthy diet food. Eat it. Take it. Hold it.
Come on.
Eat the food, me say. Eh.
I know this smell. Me not laugh. Hold this.
Yeah, people, we don't see what go on already, but it never epic, dog, you see? Still a try, still, you see?
Can't go on.
Yeah. People just like, share, and comment and subscribe.